guys, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you a legit way to increase gems and coins fast in eFootball. As you can see guys, all the options here, and you can see guys the number of the gems and coins here in my account, and it's a fully working method guys. So let me show you guys quickly how you can get this on your phone. So for that, what you have to do guys, to get this on your phone, just open any browser on your phone and go to this website apkcrunch.co, apkcrunch.co. just pause the video guys and copy the URL and go to this website apkcrunch.co. now hit the search button. Okay guys, now go to the search section of this website and search eFootball. Now hit the search button. Now guys, click here. Okay guys, so here on this page there is two buttons to download. First button is download for Android and second is download for iPhone. If you are using an Android guys, click on the first button. If you are an iPhone user, so click on the second button. But currently I'm using my Android guys, so I'm gonna click here on the first button, download for Android. Now guys, click here verify and continue button. Okay guys, so here on this page, follow and complete the instructions of any two offers below to finish the downloading process. So here guys, you can choose any two offers to complete the instructions, but remember one thing guys, offers can be different for different countries. So let me show you guys by completing one of the offer here. So for example, here is an app guys, Fusion Blocks. Click here, download and install this app, then complete level 10 to unlock your content. Click continue. It will gonna redirect me to Play Store I guess. Okay guys, so actually I have already completed this offer, so that's why it's not showing for me right now. So you just need to install this game on your phone and you have to reach to the level 11 in order to complete the instructions of this game. The same way guys, you have to follow and complete the instructions of any two offers from that list, and after that you can successfully get this eFootball on your phone and you can increase the gems and coins fast. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye, take care.